Welcome back. Thanks so much for staying with us here on India Today. The disengagement process between India and China along the line of actual control has now hit a major roadblock due to Chinese unwillingness to retreat from the friction areas. Sources have said that not much has changed since the initial disengagement, and troops from both the sides remain in close proximity despite thinning of the troops. The areas that remain on the edge at the moment include Pangong Lake, Hot Springs, Gogra areas that are part of Patrol Point 17A at the Pangong Lake, which is the biggest splash point in Ladakh. The Chinese presence remains on the mountain spurs near the line. The Chinese troops have also not dismantled the structures that they had erected between Finger 4 and Finger 8. The Indian troops, meanwhile, also remain stationed between Finger 3 and Finger 4 areas and are ready for any kind of eventuality whatsoever. Abhishek Bhalla is now joining us for the very latest. Abhishek, there was so much talks that went forth between both the sides of disengagement, but seems like the disengagement process has now hit a major roadblock. If I could throw straight across to you to bring us up to speed as to what next, is there any chance of further talks that are going to happen between the two nations?
Chaiti, after 4 rounds of talks at the corps commander level, various engagements as far as the diplomats from the two sides are concerned, NSA level discussions, this comes as a bit of a setback because one was expecting that the initial phase of disengagement would have been completed by now, and then the two sides would get into the next round of disengagement, which would mean de-induction of some of their troops in these areas, also de-induction of the heavy weapon systems that were brought close to the line of actual control. But it so turns out that even the friction areas haven't seen a complete disengagement. And what this means is that kind of a new status quo has emerged, because there are places like Pangong Lake as well as the Patrol Point 17 Alpha area, which comprises Gogra and Hot Springs, where nothing much has changed over the last 10 days. One can expect a few more rounds of discussions to continue, but as far as the situation is concerned, it still remains volatile, because in some of the friction areas, troops are still very close to each other.
Absolutely. Leave it at that. Thanks, Abhishek, for joining us with the very latest on the story now.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.